What's up, guys? What's up to another video? Okay, I'm gonna do some trick shots. Daddy, can you come outside? Hold this camera for me, and I'm gonna zoom in so you can see. Now make it inside. So post it to make it inside the hoop.
Is that right there?
Daddy, can you hold it?
I can't.
But where I'm gonna put it?
Put it on the toolbox.
Okay, I'm putting you guys on the toolbox. Are you guys facing? I don't know if you guys facing the thing. Mommy, Daddy, but it's in the face that way over there. I don't know if you guys could see. Guys. Oh, this is the best one. I don't know if I can see, but I don't know if you guys can see. Did I make it? Guys, I don't know if I made it. It's because you guys were. If I make it, leave a comment down below. And I'm gonna do some front flips. You guys just gonna watch me do some front flips. There, got the camera set up. Guys can watch me do some flips. Epic. Oh! Daddy, that's why I said you have to record it. Sorry guys, you just jumped on the floor. See my rocks? Yes. Daddy, can you come over here and record me?
Go over there and speak.
Sorry guys, she's doing shots of an idiot. Okay guys, he's just an idiot. Guys, idiot. Freaking an idiot. So I'm gonna put this out here. I'm trying to set you guys up so I could do something. There. front flip. See, that's the way to flip. This is my first time landing a front flip on my trampoline. The first time I landed a front flip is at walking jumps, but now on my trampoline. Sometimes we get a lot of air flip and so. Okay. Oh. Oh. I'm not giving up. Shares, if you're watching this, I'm a big fan of you guys. Family, you're awesome. Okay guys, I'm gonna end this video. Hope you guys stay awesome and peace. Woo! Oh no! Don't drop again. Sorry, bye.